This is a short screencast from the JCT Geography team to show how students engaging with CBA2 My Geography can use the Central Statistics Office or CSO website online to engage with census data as part of their structured inquiry. On the CSO website, we will use the SAP Maps function or the Small Area Population Maps function to show how students can research census data in their own area as part of their My Geography structured inquiry. They will easily then be able to look at the 15 different data themes made available for census data, choose what interests them, and download that data. To access the CSO or Central Statistics Office website, we can use any internet browser. I'm using Google Chrome, but anything will do. And our search will be CSO Census. And that means our very first search result will be the CSO website. So it makes it nice and easy for students to find. When we go into the CSO website, we can see that we are presented with data in a lot of different ways. There's a huge amount of tools here. But I would advise you to guide your students to the 2016 census results section and to open the Small Area Population Maps or SAP Maps, because it is user-friendly and a nice simple way for them to find the area they wish to study as part of the My Geography CBA2. Now, when you open SAP Maps, the census boundaries function is always enabled. So you can just choose whatever layers or boundaries you would like to look at, or I'm going to unclick local authorities and I'm going to close boundaries. Other functions that students can use is the My Location will bring them to a street view of where they are. Home will bring you back to the default version of the map we're looking at right now. You zoom in and zoom out. The census boundaries are the different geographical areas in which census data was collected. The links function leads you to the user guide if you need it. You can put in your area code, and again, it'll bring students to a street view of where they are. This function here is for the 2016 census results, but they are going to migrate in the 2006 and 2011 census results soon, so SAP Maps will become more powerful, which is great. Now we are going to use the Find Your Area function. In Find Your Area, before we type in a name, we're going to open the boundary box and we're going to scroll down to settlement, because that's the type of geographical area we are going to look at. Students can choose in settlement and type in the name of any area they would like to look at. We are going to search for Gorey, and the map brings us there, and straight away we can see that the settlement area of Gorey is outlined on the map for us. We can also see a population summary for the settlement of Gorey in the 2016 census, and then it always offers this link which links you to more data on the settlement that you were looking at. When we click on that, it brings us to a breakdown of all the data available on the settlement of Gorey in the 2016 census. Now, as you can see from the screen, there are 15 themes of data available, and if you click on any theme, you can see what's available in it. If we choose theme 1, sex, age, and marital status, and then click on population by age and gender, that means we get a downloadable breakdown of the demographics of the settlement of Gorey for 2016, which, if we wanted, could be easily turned into a population pyramid.